This encounter took place in Southlake, Texas, where a photographer known as GTAG was documenting industrial infrastructure, specifically a jet fuel facility. While standing outside the gates, he was approached by Corporal B. Hernandez of the Southlake Police Department. The officer claimed he had received a report that the photographer had trespassed onto the property, even though no evidence supported that claim. From there, what should have been a simple clarification quickly escalated into a prolonged and unnecessary detainment. Instead of verifying the facts, Corporal Hernandez moved immediately into a posture of authority, placing the photographer in handcuffs and initiating a search. Despite the photographer calmly explaining that he had not crossed any restricted area and was simply taking photographs, Hernandez invoked reasonable suspicion as justification. He went so far as to cite Terry versus Ohio as granting him authority to search personal belongings, an interpretation that stretches far beyond the Supreme Court's actual ruling. At no point did Hernandez articulate a specific crime, relying instead on vague safety concerns and hearsay from an employee.
Well, we got a call that you were taking pictures around this area and that you had gone through the fence, through the gate. Well, we got a call from the security company there. What's going on?
What's your name and badge number?
It's Corporal Blas Hernandez with Southlake Police Department. So what's going on?
I'm out taking pictures.
Huh?
Just taking pictures. I've never been through their gate.
Okay, like I said, I'm only working off the information that we got, okay?
Well, that's false information.
That's what you're saying, okay?
Okay.
So right now, what I have is called reasonable suspicion. Do you understand this?
What's your reasonable suspicion?
This is jet fuel
Okay.
that the airport uses for their airplanes. This is highly flammable natural gas
Right.
facility. Now I have a subject here with a DSLR camera
Okay.
taking pictures
Yeah.
of highly flammable
What's the
areas.
crime?
It's not a crime. It's called
All right.
it's called reasonable suspicion.
So, reasonable suspicion of what crime?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Okay. Have
Do
you
you
seen the
understand
crime
what reasonable
committed?
suspicion is?
Oh my God. Can you get your supervisor here?
I am a supervisor.
Who's your
Let's
supervisor?
start with your license, okay?
No. Tell me what crime I've committed.
I did not mention that you started a crime. Okay.
Okay. Tell me what crime I committed.
We're not going to play this game, okay?
Get off your super suit and go get your supervisor.
Is this what you've rehearsed?
Go get your supervisor.
Okay. He's on his way.
All right.
Okay.
I'm
I'm not
remain
waiting
silent.
here, okay?
You don't have to wait here.
So what we're trying to figure out now is what you're doing and how far you were going into their terminals of a highly secure facility with jet fuel. That's called
Am I
reasonable
being
suspicion.
detained?
Yes, sir, you are.
For what crime?
That's not how that works.
What crime?
I only need reasonable suspicion to detain you, okay? So let's
What
start
crime?
let's start with your license.
What crime? Why do you need my ID?
Reasonable suspicion is not a crime,
All
okay?
right. Let me go ahead and go over this then. I need your supervisor.
He's on his way.
Where is he at?
He's on his way.
How long?
So go ahead and put the water bottle down for
No.
me, okay? This is not going to end
This is
well.
illegal detainment.
It's not an illegal detainment.
It is.
I have what is called
What crime have I committed?
I have already detailed you.
What crime?
It's not a crime.
So no crime, but you're detaining me.
Reasonable suspicion does not mean a crime.
So do you know 3802?
We're not going through this right now.
So do you know 3802?
I know what you're trying to do, and we're not going through
To
this.
ask for my ID, you need to have a crime.
I have-
Suspicion of a crime.
I
Read
have-
3802, sir.
What did you just say? Reasonable suspicion, right?
Yeah. What
do
have
I
you
have?
seen me
What have I
do?
detailed
What have
for
you
you?
seen me do as a crime?
Okay. So go ahead and turn around.
Don't
Go
touch
ahead-
me.
go
Call
ahead
your
and turn around.
supervisor. Call your supervisor.
Turn around. You're not.
I do not.
I know.
I do not agree to any searches. I do not agree to any searches.
Drop it.
Let me
Drop
close my water bottle. Let me close my
Drop
water
it.
bottle.
Just drop it. I gave you a chance.
You gonna let me spill my water?
Drop
You gonna pay for it?
Drop it.
What's your badge number?
I gave you your chance.
What's your badge
You
number?
already went through it.
So I'm being detained for what?
Okay.
For what?
I've already detailed the reasonable suspicion, okay? This is a highly secure facility.
And where am I at? Am I on their facility?
We have information.
So you just have information. So you have a hearsay, right?
An employee of the natural gas and the jet fuel facility that says that you were seen on their property. You're not under arrest.
You're bending my wrist there.
You are not under arrest.
I'm not under arrest, but I'm in handcuffs. I'm not turning with you. I haven't moved
You're not
in.
under arrest.
I'm not resisting at all. I don't agree to any searches or seizures.
219. Show 1 detained for now and 210 if you'll go ahead and start this way.
I've been arrested.
So, sir,
I don't agree. Hey, get out of my pockets. Don't get in my pockets.
I have told you that I have reason.
You don't have any reason to go in my pockets or my property.
It's called a Terry stop.
Yeah, you don't get to go in my
understand?
pockets.
Do you
So I've been arrested, all right?
Terry v. Ohio.
You understand Turner versus Driver?
So you were not under arrest.
But I'm in handcuffs. Why am I in handcuffs?
I'm 10-4, no need for code. I just need 2 tickets.
I need a supervisor here.
We are right at 26 and nothing.
What's your badge number?
I've already told you my badge number.
No, what is it? Repeat it.
I've already told you my badge number.
Will you identify yourself, sir? These cuffs are
I
pretty
identify.
tight.
I've already detailed the reasonable suspicion. That is all I need to do.
And what crime have I done? What reasonable suspicion? That I've been walking around with a camera?
Yeah, basically.
Yeah? What crime is that?
Okay, no.
What crime?
It doesn't matter where. You can take
doesn't-
pictures a lot of places.
Okay, so when we go ahead and meet in front of a judge, you're going to agree that it doesn't matter, right?
No.
No, you're going to agree that it doesn't matter. As long as you have reasonable suspicion, you can put me in handcuffs and go ahead and detain me illegally, right? For no crime.
I know what you're trying to do, so I'm just going to stop.
You're going to stop? What?
Yeah, we're going to go hang out in the back of my car.
I don't want to go in the back of the car. That's kidnapping, bro.
Right.
You can't take off my backpack, dog. What are you doing? How are you going to take it off?
Oh, goodness.
How are you going to take it off? I'm handcuffed, dude.
Okay. I'm seeing if there's any threats. So,
No. So, all right. I'm being forcefully taken to the police car. I'm being kidnapped. So you made me spill my water. Then you sit down. Oh, yeah, great. You're real nice. Detaining me for no crime.
Sit down for that, right?
I don't want to sit down. I'm not a dog.
So why are you crying? So what's going on?
Water's in my eye, wind's in my eye.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so what's your name?
I'm not going to give that.
Okay.
How long till your supervisor gets here?
I have no idea.
No idea? So you're just going to hold me here?
Yes, sir.
What time is it?
1352.
13:52? When did you detain me?
Huh?
When did you detain me?
Not quite sure.
When did you detain me?
Not quite sure. Probably a minute or two ago.
A minute or two ago? Okay.
So do we understand what reasonable suspicion is? Because you haven't been able to answer that question. Did you not see that in your YouTube
You haven't
videos?
provided any reason to detain me, man.
I did. I detailed to you. We have highly flammable, secure, obviously a very secure facility. Provide jet fuel. We have a subject walking around, taking pictures, not wanting to identify themselves.
So
All
no
I
crime.
need to detain you. I've never said. Did I ever say you were arrested?
So no crime.
Did I ever?
That's
say
all.
you-
That's all I need, Mr. Hernandez. B.
Never-
Hernandez.
Never said you committed a crime.
Okay, that's all I need.
But I don't need the crime to detain you and to legally identify you.
So I'm in handcuffs in
Yes.
detainment. You detained
That's a
anybody? Okay,
That's
all
a
right.
detainment.
No problem.
I have to satisfy that you have not committed a crime.
Okay.
And so when I have a subject taking pictures at a jet fuel facility, and I have a reportee that's an employee of the facility,
Did they show you
who
any proof?
advises,
Did they show you any proof
who
that I was back there?
advises that they were
Hey, guess
on
what?
their
I'm done
property,
talking to you. I'll wait till your supervisor gets here.
who were on their property. I know, but I'm doing
You
it for
just
all your
sound. You
internet
just sound.
friends.
You just sound stupid right now.
I'm doing it all for your internet friends.
I don't have any internet friends, bro.
So, what that means,
That
is that I
means
have
you're a
reasonable
fucking
suspicion.
tyrant, dog.
okay, I have reasonable suspicion.
Yeah, whatever, dude.
So that's where we're at, and that's all.
What's
I
your
need to
department?
say. I already told you.
What's your department?
Rewind your video when you get it. Okay.
It's not recording, dude. What's your department? That's your department?
Who's the one that looks stupid, man? That's right there on the police car.
Oh, man. You're just a freaking jackass, man. You come over here, illegally detain people, and then just go ahead
You
and
want
talk
to stay
shit.
illegally detained? It's not illegal detainment.
All
I've
right.
already detailed to you.
When your supervisor gets here, we'll find out if I'll go ahead and be set free or not. It's up to you, man.
So,
You need to further violate my rights.
stop moving for me, please.
Well, I'm going to be detained.
I've already detailed this when you're the one that requested the.
I'm no threat, dude. My hands are behind my back. I can't do anything. So don't worry about what I'm doing. Just
Hey, sir, this is
your mouth.
Block name. South Lake Police Department. So, I just need to touch base. What exactly did you see?
So now he wants to do an investigation
can
of what he
just-
saw.
You can just hang out.
Now he wants to do an
wherever you want
investigation.
to come in. I'm just trying to figure out what exactly is going on. Yeah, past the gate.
He doesn't even know if I passed the gates. Really ridiculous, but I'm in handcuffs. What an idiot. I'm in handcuffs, never passed the gate. That's ridiculous, dog.
You're fucking up close. How close was he getting to the property? Yeah, no, it's the information that he had already provided dispatch.
All right. Well, I need to see proof that I was behind their gate.
No, he did. He actually clarified you weren't actually behind the gate, but you were coming.
So I was detained for what?
No, it's still lawful.
All right. Where's your supervisor?
He's on his way.
All right. Why are these handcuffs still on me?
Because you're still being detained because you're being uncooperative.
You're ridiculous, dog.
Yes, sir.
Never behind their gate. He just admitted it.
No, it wasn't a fight. It's just one of those internet Google search
guys.
Now he's just mocking
himself. Shit.
He was taking all the pictures of pictures of all these gas facilities, these fuel facilities. He's got his DSLR camera.
Doesn't he know who I am?
Strapped to him. And so of course it's what am I being detained and what am I being detained for, and he doesn't understand. He's not smart enough to understand.
Let him know I'm in handcuffs and he hasn't articulated a crime that I have committed.
And I've already articulated reasons.
What crime?
He's not very
dummy.
smart, so, but
man, you need to read up 3802, bro.
No. Oh, he can hear me.
Fucking idiot corporal.
Yeah. No, yeah. No, I got all that, but it's the an identifier. So that's what I'm gonna do.
I need your supervisor out here.
One of the drivers here. You saw him walk all around 20 minutes. He walked along every all the 2 gas facilities getting. No, he's just the driver coming to deliver fuel.
I need his name.
So, thank you, sir. All right. So, where's your identification, sir?
I'm not giving my ID, man.
Okay.
You can talk. I need a lawyer. How about that?
You're not under arrest, so you don't need a lawyer.
I'm not under arrest. Don't search my property. Hey, don't go through my property. I told you I do not agree to any searches.
I just need
at
to
all.
identify you.
I do not agree to any searches. I do not agree to any searches.
I'm not searching
I do
you.
not agree to any searches or any searches on my property.
I have the right to identify you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, sir.
What crime?
Right now, I've already explained to you.
What crime? So there's no crime. He's already admitted I never went past their gate.
Yes. It's not a crime.
It's not a crime.
But it's called reasonable suspicion.
Read 3802.
Of what?
3802. That's your penal code.
No. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I have a right to identify.
All right. I'm not agreeing to anything.
Okay. I have a right to
I'm
identify.
not agreeing to anything.
Are you going to identify yourself?
I'm not identifying.
Or am I going to have to identify you?
I'm not. Get out of my bag. Don't touch my bag. You're illegally detaining me, dude.
I'm not illegally detaining you.
You're illegally searching my property. He's opening my bag.
I'm looking for your wallet.
Get out of my bag.
Identify you.
Get out of my bag.
Since you have not identified.
That's an illegal search.
It's not an illegal search.
It is. I told you I do not agree. You're illegally detaining me. Where's your supervisor?
You have a backpack near.
Where's your supervisor?
Fuel area, and he's.
Where is their supervisor?
He's on his way.
I need your name, your badge number, and your serial number.
Because of Terry.
You took my wallet out of my bag? You took my wallet out of my bag?
To identify you.
Did you take my wallet out of my bag? That's an illegal search.
No, it's not.
How is that not illegal search? Did you enter?
I have a legal
So now you're throwing me down? Now you're throwing me down? You are.
You're not going to turn around.
I didn't turn on you. I'm not even resisting.
You're not going to turn on me.
So you're trying to throw me down. You're trying to slam me to the sidewalk?
Ohio allows me to do a protective sweep to ensure that you do not have any weapons.
So now you're going ahead. I'm handcuffed and I can't even resist. How am I going to do anything? I'm handcuffed, idiot.
Based off of your demeanor and your actions,
I need your supervisor. You're searching my property. You can hear the backpack zipping and zooming, right? So you're about to make me fall over.
Thank you to Terry v. Ohio. I have reasonable suspicion.
No, you don't, dog.
To pack
you need to really read Terry v. Ohio and Turner versus Driver, you idiot.
Continue with your insult, sir.
Yeah, continue with your detainment. I'm not under arrest.
You're not under arrest.
These cuffs are too tight.
But I'm going to keep you here.
This is kidnapping if you do that.
Go ahead and sit down for me. It's not kidnapping.
It is.
It's just detaining you because of your being uncooperative. I've told you not to move.
I can't move my arm. Ah!
What's it?
My shoulder. I'm telling you, I'm handcuffed. I can't do anything. I'm stuck.
Cooperate.
Dude, I'm stuck.
And just sit right there for me.
So you took my ID? You see that? He's taking my stuff out of my backpack.
I have a legal right to identify you.
What crime?
Dispatch 219. Can you check on me, please? I've already detailed to you.
Whatever, dog. You trying to shoot me in my apartment like the dude in Dallas.
Last of Smith, common spelling, first of Russell.
Is your camera recording?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
So you put me in the back of this seat?
Just
All right, I'm gonna need an incident report after this for sure. And definitely need to speak to your lawyer after this. This is ridiculous.
okay. So I've already detailed to you.
You haven't articulated any crime.
Again,
3802.
multiple times.
3802.
I've told you.
Look it up on your computer. 3802.
Are you going to keep talking?
Look it up on. All right, what crime?
I've told you multiple times. You have not committed a crime.
Okay, so I'm still being detained even though there's no crime.
Thank you. I told you multiple times that you have not committed a crime, correct?
Right, but I'm being detained.
Yes. And I do not need you to have committed a crime. I need suspicion that a crime has been, is about to be, or is being committed. Based off of your demeanor, the facility being a highly secure jet fuel facility, okay? I had a legal right to detain you and a legal right to identify you, and thanks to Terry V.
I need help. I need the cops to be called. This guy detained me illegally, please. Can you call his supervisor?
And thank you for and thanks to Terry V. Ohio, I also have a right to frisk you, including your bag.
No, you don't get to search my property.
To ensure that
you
there are no
went
weapons.
into my property. Did you unzip my bag?
I did, and
Did you reach into my bag?
Just the camera.
Did you reach into my
all
bag?
I did was peek in to make sure that
No.
you're not
Did you reach
near
into my
agent.
bag?
I grabbed your wallet
Out of my bag, right?
because I have a legal right to identify.
You do not have a right to go into my bag.
You're going to keep telling me, okay? So
I'm telling you, Terry V. Ohio does not include a search.
our transaction is done.
Our transaction is done. What do
Now
you
that
mean?
I've identified you,
Have you reached your
my
supervisor?
manager will be here shortly, so we can wait around. Okay,
What's your serial number?
but based off of your, I'm a human. I don't have a serial number.
You act like a fucking robot.
Okay, so I'm just explaining to you in
Whatever,
detail.
tyrant.
Okay,
You already stole from me. You stole my property from me. You already illegally searched me. You already kidnapped me because I'm in the back of the seat. Fuck you.
so if you can run a CCH, I've already explained to you, okay, that our transaction
I'm
is
done. I'm done. I'll wait till your supervisor gets here.
You want to continue to wait, but you're free to go.
How am I free to go? I'm handcuffed, you idiot.
You're free to go.
How?
If you want to stand up, I can take the handcuffs off, but
I'm stuck in your car. I can't get up, dog. I have no arms. I have no brace to, get up, dog.
Okay.
Mark.
So would you like to get up and get out of handcuffs, or do you want to wait for my supervisor?
I'm waiting for your supervisor right here.
Okay, then we're
in the car.
Then we're gonna wait right here.
Right here.
Okay.
Because you did this.
Okay.
You jumped in a whole case of jam.
Okay.
Yeah. Fucking jump on in your
set
super
this
suit.
right here,
No.
please.
Put it back where you placed it.
I asked you if you want to get
No,
up.
put it back where you placed it. You already handcuffed
your
me
legs
and did
don't
all this
work.
other shit. No, they don't. I can't get out. I don't have any way to go ahead and, brace myself from this, whatever drop here. What if I fall and break my neck, $1 million baby myself or some shit?
I mean, no doubt that you would probably try. All right, stand up.
I can't. Just put it in there. Like you did.
No, go ahead and stand up.
Put it in there. Do
you not want to get out of
I
your handcuffs?
can't get up.
Okay,
I told you.
How can I not? How can I help you then?
You shouldn't even have put me in
get
these
you
in the
up.
first place.
Yes.
Right?
How can I help you to get up?
Right?
Yes, I should have.
You should have?
And
For
I
what?
could've. We're not going down this path.
Where's your supervisor? How long till your
Go ahead.
supervisor gets here?
I have no idea that we have to go through another city to get to this area.
A whole nother city?
Okay,
What are you doing
yeah.
from a whole nother city?
I'm gonna try to help you up, but I don't want you to.
I
don't
really
want you to
can't
hurt
brace myself.
Okay,
You see, that's the problem. You fucked up because I have a bad hip. I have all these all sorts of bad
Do
shit.
you want me to carry you, fire carry
You
you?
want fire carry me? Is that what you want to do?
How do you want
You
that?
want me to be your sweetheart?
I'm just trying to figure out how you want this.
Well, you fucked up. You put me in this and I have bad vertebrae and shit.
So how about this? Are you this way?
Hold
Is this
on.
gonna help?
Hold on. I don't want to fall. All right. Go through the back seat and uncuff
Can I
me.
get that again? Thank you. So how can I help you get out?
I need my hands to be free. I really do.
You don't.
I do.
People get in and out of cars without.
Well, unfortunately, you don't understand. I have medical issues, and unfortunately, you put me in a seat where I'm actually stuck.
Okay, let's help you out then. Okay.
Okay, if I fall,
I know you're probably gonna try and.
I'm not trying.
Okay, put your foot down.
I
and
can't.
I'm gonna lift you.
This is my wrist now. It's my wrist. It's my wrist. It's my wrist. Ah.
Okay. Okay. We're going slow. So I'm gonna put this right here. I have satisfied that I no longer have reason to detain you, so I'm not gonna take you out of handcuffs. If you choose to wait for my supervisor, he is still en route.
Ah. Asshole, dude. What's your badge number?
I've already told you, so when you rewind,
Repeat it for me. Ah!
I'm sorry, man. Hold
You
on.
fucked up my wrist, dog.
Right here, okay?
You fucked up my wrist, dude. Ah, fucking asshole, dude.
Huh? So I no longer have reasonable suspicion to believe that you have or are about to commit a crime. So you are free to go.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm waiting till your supervisor gets here and don't leave, dude.
He's right behind me.
Texas Penal Code 38.02 makes it clear a person is not required to identify themselves to an officer unless they are lawfully arrested. Simply being detained under suspicion without evidence of a crime does not trigger that requirement. Furthermore, while Terry v. Ohio allows a limited pat-down for weapons when an officer reasonably fears for safety, it does not authorize rummaging through backpacks, wallets, or personal property. In fact, courts have consistently limited Terry searches to outer clothing and immediate threats, not fishing expeditions. The duration of the stop also raises red flags. The photographer reports being detained for over 18 minutes before a supervisor arrived, which pushes the boundaries of what courts consider a lawful investigatory stop. Under Turner v. Driver, a Fifth Circuit case particularly relevant in Texas, citizens have a protected right to record and photograph matters of public interest, including infrastructure, from public vantage points. That precedent makes Hernandez's actions not just questionable, but directly at odds with established constitutional law. When Sergeant G Music eventually arrived on scene, the tone shifted. Unlike Hernandez, the supervisor attempted to de-escalate, provided medical assistance, and personally handed over a complaint form. His conduct demonstrated what professional policing should look like, addressing concerns without trampling on rights. However, the fact that such intervention was necessary underscores a systemic training problem. Officers on the street should already understand the limits of detainment, the scope of Terry stops, and the protections under Penal Code 38.02.
Fucking dad. This guy's a fucking asshole. Just want you to know that.
Go back there for me.
Fuck you. I'm free to go, right?
You're free to go.
Fuck you.
Okay.
I need to speak to you though, because this guy's a fucking asshole. I need his name and badge number.
First of all, just
No, I'm sorry. I was detained illegally and handcuffed and almost thrown to the ground because this asshole.
I don't know what's going on. I just got
Okay. Well, you understand I could be a little bit, perturbed, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Will
Now,
you
can I get his name and badge number, please?
Yeah. Let me talk to you.
Can I get it just right now? Can I get it right now? Name and badge number, please.
Good.
We'll talk to you in a second. I'll come tell
Fuck
you.
you, dude. My wrists are all jacked up, dog. Look at that shit. My fucking wrist hurts. (3802) A person commits an offense if he intentionally refuses to give his name, residence, address, or date of birth to a peace officer who has lawfully arrested the person of the requested information. B. A person commits an offense if he intentionally gives a false or fictitious name, residence, address, or date of birth to a peace officer. Reasons to identify: lawfully arrested the person, lawfully detained the person, requested the information from a person that the peace officer has good cause to believe has witnessed to a criminal offense, yet no criminal offense was found. Fucking idiot. I need his name and badge number.
That's Corporal Hernandez.
Corporal Hernandez, what's his badge number?
1292. I told you when I first.
1292, whatever, dude. Fuck you. I need to understand. Does he understand what 3802 is?
Why don't you tell me what happened? Okay.
I was here where my water is, where he forced me to drop it on the ground, right? He puts me in handcuffs because I told him I'm not doing anything but taking pictures. Do you think that's right?
Okay. You used to file a formal
And
complaint?
hell yeah.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, a formal lawsuit too, because he went into my bag saying this is a Terry stop. I told him I don't agree to any searches. He started going to my pockets. Then he went into my bag and removed my wallet. He stole from me. So what am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to be nice to you? Am I supposed to care about what he thinks? Because I call him an asshole? Because he is an asshole. Fucking prick. You want me to be nice to the guy and watch my language? How would you feel if I did that to your wife or your son or your daughter?
Are you done?
No, I'm not done.
Okay.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm Sergeant Music on 162.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Understand, I don't know what's going on until I get here. So when I have somebody being upset, I get
Well,
it.
the
I
thing
get,
is,
I get that
he
you're gonna be
escalated.
upset. Okay.
He escalated. I didn't escalate.
I get that you're upset. I get it. Okay. But I don't know what's going on. So that's why when I have somebody getting irate or
I
something,
need to ask you this. Does Terry Vio? May I ask you this one question?
Let me finish talking to you.
Go ahead.
okay?
Sure, Music. You've been nice.
If you want to file a form of complaint, you can come up to the South Lake Police Department. I'll give you the forms and you can fill it out right now and I'll notarize it. Okay.
Great, dog.
Do you need any medical attention or anything, sir?
Possibly. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and find out.
Do you want an ambulance?
No, I don't want an ambulance right here. I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to my lawyer because this is bullshit. Does Terry V, Ohio allow you to go into my bags?
Search for weapons, yes.
Does Terry V, Ohio allow you to search inside my personal property, even though I've refused for him to go into my property?
You have to have probable cause.
What was the probable cause?
How's that identified?
Identifying me. His probable cause was to identify me.
No, I didn't say that.
That's what you just said.
I don't say that was public cause.
Can I get your information?
No, you can't. He stole it from me, and that's what you can have. You know.
Well, understand that I'm here to help you too, okay? And if you're telling me something that you feel is illegal here, I have the duty and obligation to investigate, okay? That's
Yeah,
what I'm
but
trying to
do you understand what he has done
If you,
as a peace officer?
that's what you're telling me. So I'm trying to get the report and the complaint process started for you. If that's what you wish to do. That's what you said you wanted to do. So I was trying to get your information because I have to do my investigation too, and you've got to fill out your paperwork so the formal complaint can get started, okay?
I mean, this is messed up, man.
You do understand that this is a terrorist.
What have I done illegally?
You understand this is a
What
terrorist?
have I done illegally?
How many times did I tell you you did not do anything illegal?
He's admitted
told
it
you
multiple
multiple
times. So
times.
what does he have to do? Why is he identifying me?
On reasonable suspicion, we detailed this, man. Here's the address.
Does he not know 38? He doesn't know 3802.
Well,
He doesn't know it. He doesn't know it. That's a problem. This is what I tell him. That's what I tell him. He put himself in a legal altercation because of that.
But do you want to come file a formal complaint?
I will. I'll go ahead and I need an incident report.
600 State Street.
Yeah. Do you have an incident report for me?
He'll have a call for service number here.
Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and get the incident report. I'll need the individual who called.
You can file that all open records, and if you can file that at the station too or online. They have 10 days by law to get you the information that you request. Okay.
Okay.
So
Could
you
you
can
educate
request
this
this?
man on 3802, please?
Believe me, I'm gonna look into this because I got called here for something.
Does he know about Turner versus Driver?
I don't know.
You don't know, because he mentions Terry v. Ohio a lot, but all that means is a Terry stop means a frisk of my pants. It doesn't mean to search in my property or my person,
You're right.
right? So you agree that doesn't admit for him to go into my bag, right?
Yeah, but I don't know what all transpired here. I have to do my investigation too.
Matter of fact, here, let me go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and do
we all
this.
have body cams.
Let me do this here, all right?
In the end, the photographer was released, but not before enduring an illegal search, physical force, and unnecessary humiliation. It's clear that standing up for your rights can have real consequences, both positive and corrective. The photographer later followed up, sharing that a formal complaint had been filed, and the resulting lawsuit concluded with the judge ruling the stop constituted an unlawful search and a violation of his Fourth Amendment rights. While a settlement was reached, largely because the photographer and his persistence had pissed off the officer far more than the brief encounter itself, the outcome underscored the importance of accountability. The officer faced retraining, formal reprimands, public embarrassment, and ultimately a tangible acknowledgement of wrongdoing. The photographer emphasized that it wasn't about the money, but about principle, ensuring that misconduct has consequences without unnecessarily destroying careers, unless severe harm occurs. For him, the acknowledgement and compensation for the ordeal were enough, serving as a reminder that vigilance, persistence, and knowledge of your rights can yield real justice, even when the system feels slow or frustrating.